Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw some amazing insects step by step. Let's draw a ladybird. Start by drawing a small circle for the head. Next, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Draw a nice round circle. Draw a line down the center. Perfect! Draw small legs. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Draw 2 antennae on top. Draw several spots on the wings. Now draw highlights. Now, let's color it. Color the wings bright red. Color the spots black. Our ladybird looks wonderful. Let's draw a housefly. Draw a round head. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Draw 2 antennae on top. Draw a small oval body. Draw 2 large wings. Perfect! Draw a small oval body. Add 6 small legs. Draw patterns inside the wings. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw highlights. Let's color it. Color the body gray or dark brown. Color the wings light blue or transparent. Our housefly is complete. Let's draw a grasshopper. Draw a small head. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Draw a smiling face. Add long antennae. Now draw large back legs. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw a long oval body. Add the front legs. Perfect! Now draw highlights. Let's color it. Color the grasshopper bright green. Awesome! Our grasshopper is ready to jump. Let's draw a snail. Draw 2 eye stalks. Perfect! Draw a smiling face. Now draw the soft body underneath. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Draw a spiral shell. Perfect! Wow! Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw highlights. Let's color it. Color the body light gray. Color the shell brown or orange. Our snail is moving slowly and happily. Let's draw a spider. Draw a larger circle for the body. Draw a small circle for the head. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Draw a smiling face. Perfect! Now draw 8 long legs. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the spider black or dark brown. Add small highlights if you like. Fantastic! Our spider is finished! Make it fun! Today we drew and colored lots of fun insects and tiny creatures. Keep practicing your drawing skills and don't forget to use your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.